digital gold. TA with TI Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy, never the mission.
That's right, guys. Piper Academy. That's where it's at. Piper Academy. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Bingo, 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 and a bango. All right. So I still have my cough. I have a lot of cough drops. I'm taking a lot of medicine. Allergies kicking my butt. But let's go and do this, guys. Let's go ahead and do this. Of course, I want to thank you for being here. Really appreciate you. Of course, definitely smash the likes. And let's get started. Let's get started. There's going to be a lot of muting in the show, but that's all right. Better than coughing in your ear. Better than coughing in your ear. So with this being said, let's look at, well, first I want to look at crypto bubbles. I thought I had it up here, but let's go ahead and bring that up. Just going to bring this up. Crypto bubbles on the daily, well, it's looking good. It's looking really good. I like what I see. Double digits, really nice. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Well, we're seeing a bit of a pullback. Why is that? Well, I think right now the coins are still kind of married to Bitcoin. Pretty soon, it's not going to matter what Bitcoin's doing. These coins are just going to absolutely be ripping just to the moon, to the moon. All right. So with that being said, let's go to Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is, well, it's not coming down. I really thought it was going to come down. I thought it was going to come down just due to this almost 4% run up. But look at all these other little candles. Super little candles. I mean, we get a 1% move. I mean, that's big for Bitcoin. This was almost 4x what it normally does. And I thought for sure, come down. And then I would like to see it come down at least to 38%, which would be roughly around 101. It'd be really nice to see it go into the golden pocket, which would be about 100. And if it does come down further, we're looking for it to bounce on top of this zone. This is what I would like to see for us to continue the bullish thought process. Now, if we kind of just look at this, we have this area up here. Make sure my mic is on. We have this area up here, and this is our range high. Then we have this area down here, and this is our range low. Then we have this middle area, which is our mid-range. So we kind of look at it like that. Let's go ahead and just, let's make this sure, make this on. So this is another way of looking at this. So let's put this as this color, and let's label it too. So this is going to be range high. Make sure it's nice and big. Then this is going to be our mid-range. Let's label this one. Mid-range. And then this one. Sure, we'll use it. Let's take this off. This right here would be our range low. Range low. It's 20. And then this one, center shirt. So let's bring this over. So they all kind of match up. Try to make it look a little fancy. Let's go and increase the size of this one. All right. So we have our range high, our range low, and then our mid-range. For our mid-range, we are looking anywhere above this area is bullish. It's bullish because hopefully it will go up, down, break out of this, and then off to the races. If we break below this, we're still bullish. This is still bullish unless we break this range low. Once we break this range low, not good. This is the danger zone. Danger zone. We don't want to cross it. We don't want to cross it. If we cross it, nothing's stopping us from going all the way down here. This is a low volume node. Same thing here. And basically what that means is there's not a lot of ups and downs, a lot of support resistance levels to give us some area of support. Now, granted, does that mean that if the price comes down here, it's going to go straight down? No. It can find support wherever it creates support. So just because we don't have a lot of ups and downs and really strong support levels, it can stop anywhere it wants and then reverse. Now, we will look at that if it crosses this level. Right now, we're concerned about this area. And in my opinion, if it does come down, it really needs to find the support here in order for us to continue the bullishness. When I looked at this just recently, I thought for sure, man, it's going to be coming down, no problem. And here I see it in green candles, 3 of them. And that's why the thumbnail is what it is. FOMO City. That's Bitcoin at the airport picking up people who are FOMOing for the arrivals. All right, moving on. Do you have any coins, guys? Do you have any coins you want me to do? Let me know, or forever hold your peace. Right now, I'm going to the chats, seeing what the chat says. It is confirmed, username just confirmed that he and Jesse are the same. And then Jesse said, yes, we are the same. So I knew it. Actually, they said the opposite. We're not the same. Jesse, I believe, is from the future. So let's see here, going down the list. Any coin you want me to do? Okay. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Jesse says AI16Z. I think, I'm not sure if that's a request or if he's asking for it. AI16Z. I'm not sure. Jesse, oh, you're funny. Jesse confirmed it again. He said, yes. I don't have to keep on telling Joe. We are the same person. Okay, so we're going to do, let's see. Going down the list. Indie Rock says, we see 42, 46 in 2026? No. That I can definitely say no. Granted, nobody knows, but I'm definitely going to say no. I actually have a thing where if we pull back about 77%, that's on average how much we pull back. Depending on where we go to, depends on where we might end up. I would love to see between 100, one second. I would love to see be 172, 200 to 206, in between that level. But my dream is 249. Now, let's just say because of the market, there's more people coming in. So is that going to affect the pullback? Right now, the pullback level is around 77%. So let's just say that we only went up to 172. Pullback of 77%. Well, 50% would be at 84.9. That sounds pretty good to me. 77% would be roughly, or 77. Oh, wow. I forgot. I haven't done that in a long time, and I completely forgot about that. I don't think though, man. So based off of the previous, and I think we did this last time too. Man, this looks really ugly. But based off of the previous, we went down 21% from the previous cycle high. Well, this cycle was in 2017, so the high. And then the previous cycle low was right here. And now it did go underneath its previous cycle high, if that makes sense, from 2017 to 2022. It went down by 21%. So depending on this right here, this is our cycle high. If it goes down 22%, we're looking at around 50. Man, those are some crazy numbers, from 172 to around 50. Indie rock crypto, I just looking at those numbers, no, right away. Nope. By looking at the chart, looking at the data, you're pretty spot on. In my opinion. Because we've done that before for the high to, so what I'm thinking, but with all this money coming in, maybe we don't go set down 77% because that's the average that we've done. Maybe we want to go down 50, do all the money. 12 months kind of told me so. Yeah. So expectation of high percentage is 150 to 200% from this area. Duration is about 600 days post halving. Here's our halving. That will put us right around November, December. So possible. For me, I want to enjoy this coming up. And then as it comes down, let it go where it goes. But for me personally, I do think, because we've done it before, we've broken the previous highs when we're in the bear market. I don't know, how would tell. But I think we'll go down to at least 68. $68 to 50. I'll say that. 68.50. Could go lower though. All right, moving on. Going down the list. Okay. Thank you, Dylan. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for everybody being here. Appreciate you guys very much. Okay, let's see here. So for coins, I think we have AI16Z. I think. I'm not too sure. I think y'all were just talking about it. All right. So let's go ahead and look at this. Right now, man, it's just looking FOMO City. I would like to have that pullback to at least 32% or 38%, 0.382. I'd love to see it about here. Swarms. I think that's a ticker. Swarms. Okay, we'll look at that one. Let's see what we see. Let us see what we see. We're going to look at NTC as well. NCT. I don't think I've heard of that one. All right, so looking at this one, Swarms, Mexi, I love it. Wow, it's a boomer. It's up only. Does not know how to retrace. Haven't heard of this one. This one is a definite. Normally, I would say, whoa, that's too much, man. Get away from that. But this one's for me, definite buy now. Buy now, cry later. So let's go low from, say here to here. Let us also look to see what it is. So let's go over here to Swarms. 490 million market cap. Okay. This is important because this tells us how fast it'll go. It's an AI agent. Man, these past couple of days I've been, well, shoot, man, like 4 days. I've been going just down rabbit holes. And these coins are amazing, man. Like what they do, truly amazing. So let's just kind of go down the rabbit hole. Let's go down the rabbit hole together. All right. So this one, Swarms. There's no about. Let's go to their website. Welcome to the agent marketplace. Sign in, blah, blah, blah. Got it. Log in, sign up, blah, blah. Okay. So I can see it. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the Twitter. Let's look at the Twitter. The Twitter says, empowering the agent economy with Swarms. Now, there's a bunch of these that I see that talk about swarms within swarms. No idea what that means. I haven't gone that far deep into it. But God, dang it. And this cough. All right, swarms. Swarm Corp. Important words. Upcoming features. Marketplace. This is what we could not see. Stock price. Fetcher. There's a lot of these right now. It's just who's going to be the best, who's going to come out on top. Looks very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Copy to clipboard, Solana. I like looking at this for additional information. Even though we're going to pull up the chart. So Radium. I like looking at this. Market cap, 493. Holders, 25,000. Liquidity, locked, 9 million. That means it's easy to get in and out. Very easy. Total volume, 24 hours, 47 million. I like it. I like this a lot. And it's available on MXC. Oh, let me double check one thing. Yeah. So what I like to do is double check the price. Make sure it's the same one. Make sure the one on MXC is in like 0.00000049. You know what I mean? All right. Let's look at this. All right. 4 hour time frame. So looking at this, and pullback expected, sure. You know, after every run up, we have a pullback. Every run up, we have a pullback. Every run up. I mean, it could continue running up and then the pullback. So for that reason, I would say enter now. There's so many of these coins, man. Like I'm already in so many. It's ridiculous. Oh no, wait. I gotta update this. YouTube entry. Today is the 6th. So let me go ahead and copy this. Save as. Okay. And then time is 4:20. 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. So we're saying enter now with the lower entry. Okay. Lower entry. Because of the market cap, we can do like 25, 30%. I would say about here, but okay. So I'm guessing the lowest, hopefully this is our buy zone right in this area. Our buy zone. And I'm actually put it right here for our lower entry. Lower entry. Copy. This is a great one. You guys are great, man. You guys find all these amazing coins. I love it. I absolutely love it. Jesse, username. I would say both of y'all, but it's single tense. You're great. You are amazing. Again, I would say both of y'all, but I know you're the same person. It's been proven. Just says, I hear your brain cracking of thinking, Joe. Well, no, not so much. It's literally the hamster getting on the wheel. And the hamster, he's a little chubby too. Hamster getting on the wheel, and he's trying to get it to go. Yeah. Hey, what's going on? All set. Appreciate you, man, being here. All right. So here, enter now. Lower bid down here. Targets. We can do our first target. 65. Sounds about right. Not going too crazy. Not going too crazy. For the love of God, can I please click? There we go. So I only want to sell 50%. And then I only want to sell 50% here too. At 100. And then I'm going to let the rest ride. How many times have you been in a coin where you took off 100%, 100%, you check in the coin 3 months later, and it is way, way up? That's what's gonna happen here on all these coins. I like it. So I'm actually gonna put this in my community. This is swarms. Swarms on MXC. Doing a live stream will provide more info when done. I like it. Copy. Copy. And then I like putting a lot of information. So let me just get this one. Copy. Copy. We'll do this one. Copy. Make sure it's the same one. Swarms, yes. Okay. Works for me. I like it. Okay. So let's see here. What else do we got? What else do we got? You guys crazy with all the financial advice. No financial advice on the Piper Academy Network, on the morning shows, evening shows, evening show. It's great. Going on the list here. Very good. So this one right here, this one's actually been in a lot of stuff that I've been researching. So let me see. So I just recently posted stuff about this. So I'm not sure. I'm sure y'all know this stuff already, guys. But y'all might want to check out this. Scouts. Y'all might want to check that one out if y'all don't know about it already. But as far as the Griffin or Griffane, it enables on-chain executions through its platform with simple text-to staking. So just making it easier for people to do stuff. And Anon, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Hey Anon. Been doing research on those. The other ticker is this one, ANON. So y'all might want to check those. All right, moving on. So here, hey Joe, good to see you. Thank you for the update. I know trader, no problem, man. See, I don't know S from F. Oh, just Scout. Yeah, we got into Scouts. I forgot when we got into Scout, but yeah, it's been doing good. And then that news came out. That news came out as far as the success rate. So I posted this like, guys, if you didn't get in it, you might want to get in it. No, thank you, Retro Mike Tech. Appreciate you, man. All right, so what were we looking at? I already forgot. Griffin. Okay. YouTube. Crazy. All right, we'll go in the list. So we're going to look at Griffin. On XC. And this one I think we got into last night. We got into it actually here. I was going to go to bed already. I was talking about this morning on my live stream, 12 o'clock. I was going to go to bed already, and the news came out about this, like, oh man, let me just check it. And so I put another hour of work because I posted this one. I posted ANON, ANON. And then, of course, I'm always doing research and putting a bunch of sites and everything and a lot of information together on this. This one looks good. For this one, hopefully it comes down in here, 0.4453, before coming back up again, breaking this level. If it breaks this level, watch out, because we may come all the way down here. I need to start posting these charts again for, just on Trading View. I had a lot of subscribers last time because I was doing that. It's just time consuming. All right. So here are our levels. If I expect it to come down, well, what goes up is going to come down. It's just normal. I like it to come down here. I mean, it might only come down here 38%. But if it does come down about 50%, then even better. Then it continuing up. However, we had this low, and then it's starting to curve down. So because of that curve down, if we break this level, then we're looking at something like this. Possible. So I would be looking for this to be a buy zone. I don't think we'll come down this far from this run up. This run up, I'm expecting it to come down to about here before coming up. Now, if it breaks below this level, there's a pretty good chance it's going to keep on coming down. And we'll do this one with a dotted line or dash. This is how I see it. Price should come down. Hopefully get a bounce here, come up. You can either enter the trade at this moment. For me personally, I wouldn't enter the trade right now. I would just wait, see what happens. I would expect to retrace due to this pump. If it does retrace, then it starts coming up. You could potentially enter the coin here, but safer would be the break of this level, 0.5165. I do like that. But if it breaks this level, then we're looking at a possible breaking of this level, which results in possibly coming down here to the buy zone. And this is just people taking profit. I mean, they're just doing what you want to do. They want to buy low, so high. How do you like it? And there was one. Talked about this early on my show, but this one we got into when it was down here. It went up like 50-something percent, 65%. When it was down here. And because the reason we got into it mainly was because it's going to get listed on these other exchanges. And so right now people are just selling off. I'm looking for a bounce here before coming up. And that's on Seraph, I guess. SERAPH. But now it's available on KuCoin, XC. But yeah, lots of research. Trying to be like Jesse and username. Trying to be like that. See here. All right, JP's giving us one. Ooh, JP's going to be in the category of being a goat. Right now, Jesse and username are the goats. See, Nom AI. So many jokes I can do to that one. Family show. Let's see here. Jesse approves. Okay, so let's see. Keeps on pumping. Okay, so let's check it out. Let us check it out. Put this on our watch list. USDT. MEXC. Very nice. Normally, I would look at this and I'd say, nope. All these, I'd say, nope. But I can tell it's a very small market cap. And because we're in the portion of the bull run that we're in, I say, yeah, why not? But I got to look more into it. 3 million. 3 million. Volume is 184,000. See, fully diluted value is 4.19 million. It is a let's see here. It is a DeFi. It's a DEX. Okay. Layer 1. Okay. When was it? It was over a year ago. Almost 2 years now. 2 years and only 3 million? What's going on with their marketing? Can you make money? Yeah, sure, of course. But it just better, with marketing, community, instead of a Telegram group or Discord group pumping the coin. So we have 3, 15, 23. Almost 2 years have gone by. These pumps right here aren't really too much nice in March when the whole market was moving. This one also moved a little bit compared to the market cap and just kind of fizzled out. Okay. Markets, MEXC, GetIO, been around for 2 years. For me, it's 2 notable exchanges. Daily volume, 11,000 on MEXC. GetIO, 127,000. Nobody's talking about it. Now, can it pump? Sure. But for the people who don't know this, of course, everybody here probably already knows, but for the people who don't know this, like, you have to understand volume, you have to understand volatility, order books, how you move the coin, how not to trade against yourself. And because of this low volume, I'll show you on the chart. Okay. Let's go to the website. Let's see what they're about. Do I like their website? Okay. Bit bright, but it's okay. I like the font. And for me, it's something simple as the font and everything else. Building the internet financial system. I like it. The nexus for real world assets. Keyword, buzzword. Okay. Got it. Exchange, bridge, stable, governance, staking. Love staking. Okay. Okay. Trade crypto, Forex, RWAs on chain. I like it. Nice, simple, clean. See, order books, trading view, and other select features. Good. 100x on your bridge and everything. All right, got it. transactions fees across the system. Get out of here. That's crazy. That's crazy nothing. Okay, traders, DeFi power users. Okay, 2 years ago, but nobody's using their service, their coin. To me, red flags. See, building at the bleeding edge of finance. Okay. Not sure if that's the right one. Not sure who you're talking to. See here, the Twitter. Let's go to the Twitter. So this is Nam that I found. Going to the Twitter. On-chain Forex powerhouse. This is done last year. So they do post. They have 65,000 followers. They've been around for 5 years on this. That's the wrong one. Okay. Now that I spent 20 minutes on it, let me see. I'm going to put in this contract address that was just put on here. Oh, this one. Did I type it in wrong? No, they said Nam. I thought I wrote it. Did I write it down? Oh my gosh. I wrote it down. I mean, sorry guys for wasting y'all's time. And I even skipped one too. I wasted y'all's time. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let's try this again. Well, let's NOMAI. Virtuals, this one. I would have picked this one too. But now that I know it's virtuals. One thing I don't like about this site, CoinMarketCap, is none of these links ever work. Copy this. But then here, these links work. So NOM AI, building. I don't like waiting. I like the graphics. Taking too long though. Is that it? There's no website. It's just this. Is it listening to me? Did it download my brain? Is that why it's blank? Okay, so that's their website. Nope. Denied. I don't like it. All right. Come on over here. Okay. Designed to surface smart alpha. AI agents. I don't know what it does. Well, okay, here we go. It's doing something. My terminal is observing big nets. Okay, blah, blah. So just like all the other ones. Okay, so it spits out information just like all the other ones. Okay. An article. Okay, cool. So I'll read on that later. Let's go here. NAMI. Base. Daily. Another up only. Been around about a month. Had the final sell off, which is good. Then started going sideways. I like it. So what I would think on this, from here to about here, and then up city. So here was our base, so going across, retracement, tracement. I like it, solid. The structure is solid. I'm looking for that other dip, like major dip. I don't know, just everything's so bullish right now. Yeah, if it breaks this level, then I would start getting worried. Was that like 40%? Bingo bango. Bingo bango, guys. A bingo and a bango. So for me, I mean, I like it. It looks bullish as heck. If it crosses this level, oh, be careful because it may come all the way down here to around this zone before it goes up. It'll go down for 2 hours and 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. As far as the coins that I like, I was really surprised when I typed in Nam. I was like y'all must see something, but I typed it in wrong. Forgot the AI part. So for here, I wouldn't be surprised if it did come down. I'd like to see it come down. You know, the larger time frame, you can kind of see it a little bit better. You know, just going up. Okay, fine. You know, come down a little bit. 4 hour. Strong coins, man. I don't know how you find these things, but this is a great one too. Let's do the other one, NTC. See if I don't mess that one up. That was embarrassing. Rookie. And this is the last one. And then that'll be the show. That will be the show. Poly Swarm. Another swarm. Or is that going to be the new thing? Is swarms? Or is it down here? Maybe it's the same thing. I'm afraid to get the wrong one again. Same price, so it's the same thing. I'm going to go here, though. I use CoinStacks, Joe. That's how I find them. You've been tell me about that. I got to look more into it. I mean, I got it now. I mean, I got that. Not like I understand, but I got that platform now. Man, I'm on so many different platforms. Like I literally don't have enough time. I have so many different things, and I'm doing all this research. JP, you're my favorite. You're my favorite. NCT is the one. Okay. 143 million market cap. When did it come about? So it's been around for a while. Is this the same one y'all are looking at? Let me know if this is the same one. 2018. 2022. I don't remember this in 2022. I'm sure people would have been just screaming about it. Yep, that's the right one. All right, cool. Thank you. I'm sure I would have heard. This is like the only coin that would have done anything during that time. Came down, did some nice work. Okay. It's a cybersecurity, DApp, smart contracts. It's in a bunch of exchanges. MEXC, I like it. Coinbase, I like it. Okay. Let's go to the website. The freshest malware intelligence powered by Swarm. With Polyswarm, you get early detection of threats, unique samples, higher accuracy, Polyscore threat scoring. Okay. Pricing, how much is it? Contact us. No, denied. I don't like it. If I got to ask for it, I can't afford it. $1,250 per day swarm scan and search. $375 per month. So you got to buy the tokens to use the service. Just seems too much. It seems too much effort. So now I got to go $375 per month. How much are they? Where is it even at? So it's 7 cents. So now 0.07 cents times, what was it, 375? $26 a month. Okay. And then let's say this goes up to 30 cents. Am I still paying $375 per month at 30 cents? Because right now it's at 7 cents. So now it is $375 times 0. You can't see what I'm doing. $375 times 30 cents. Let's say it went up to 30 cents. Am I going to be paying $112 for this? No, I'm not. I'll find something cheaper. So right there, like, it's good that it has a service. It's good that it has a use case. It's good that it has, like, you're burning the tokens or whatever you're doing. That's good. But when the price goes up, nobody's going to want to pay $100. Let's say it goes to $3. Let's get crazy. It goes to $3. $375 per month times $3. Am I going to pay that much per month for just the basic? I'm not. Now, if they had a mechanism to where it was you stake it and you get access to this, let's say you stake 1,000, you can get the basic until you unstake it. For the enterprise, you have to stake 10,000. For this one, you have to stake 20,000, 100,000. Then yes, I staked it a long time ago. It was at 3 cents. Now, if I want to unstake it, it's worth $4. I can unstake it and sell it. This right here, this doesn't work, in my opinion. I could be completely wrong, but that's my thought process. Okay. Let me know if y'all agree with me or not. You're like, what? What'd you say, Joe? Other than listening. Let's see here. See, I have limited access to these coins. Not my thing. Anyways. Jesse says, I get why you don't want it, Joe. Like, Joe, I get it. Drop it already. So that's what I do. I go through all this research. I look at all this stuff. What does it do? Does it have it? Now, do you need to know all that to make money? Not even. I just do it because I want to know if it's something that's going to make me a lot of money in the long term, or if I just need to trade it. So let's just say we're going to trade it. Let's just say we're going to trade it. So this was available on, so NCT. NCT. USDT. Let's see. Make some money. I don't believe in the project, but you can make some money. Now, granted, it had this nice run up. The market cap is really low. Market cap 142. I mean, it's not bad. 142. And had this nice run up already. I like to see this, not a crazy wick. Yeah, $500 max on this play. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that way you don't move it. Trade it only. All right. I mean, I like it as a trade. I like it. Let's see here. I like this run up and it came down. Now all these run ups are not coming down. That's one thing I'm also looking at. Like all this ran up, came down, ran up, came down, ran up, came down. Not doing anything, not doing anything. Now, watch out, ran up, barely came down. Ran up, barely came down. Now is the time to be in this coin. So for this coin, I do like it. I would have lower bids though. I'd have a lower bid right here, and I'd have a lower bid right here. You know, who cares if it goes down 80%? Like this right here is probably like 65. What is it? The first one's around 35. 18, 30. Boring. I lost big time. So for this one, I see this easy. Lower estimates or lower bids, 18%, 40%. I think that'll be good. Right here would be an enter now. This would definitely be just a trade. So this is a YouTube entry. And then for this one, time is what, 5 o'clock? Yeah. So 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This one's a straight up trade. If you want to, you can get fancy with it, put on a fib. I'm just going to go 50%. We'll go 50%, and then we'll go 75%. And that's just a trade, in and out. Not looking to hold this long term. So this right here is our target. Change this color to yellow. This right here is our target. So those are your targets. And these right here are your lower bids. So I guess I'll do it. So this one, target. This one, target. This is coordinates, copy. This is our lower entry. This 2. Copy. Lower entry. There you go. All right. So that's it for me, guys. I do thank you very much. You guys have been amazing. So happy you're here. Thank you for my, if you haven't already, definitely smash a like. Make sure to check me out on my channel. There's sometimes I do drama, but of course I do the same thing here. You know, I go over coins, I go over Bitcoin, I go over your coins. I do thank you guys very much. My channel, it's Monday through Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday and Sunday at 5. And then I may be doing some extra shows throughout the week, either mornings or evenings. We'll see. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you so much. Be careful. Just know that everything should start going up. Everybody's going to be geniuses. And that's all I got. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. And as always, I almost forgot. As always, let's make this money. See ya.
In the land of digital gold, TA with T.I. Joey Bold. Charts light up as we unfold. Trust the signals, watch it grow.
There's always time for drama. There's always time for drama. Drama's fun. Drama makes life exciting. I love drama.
Piper Academy Network, the mission. Bulls and bears, we ride the wave. Trading crypto, feeling brave. In this game, you gotta save. Stack it up and then behave. Technical analysis with trade intuition. Every move like a seasoned magician. Crypto life, no intermission. Piper Academy Network, the mission.
All right, guys. Thank you so much.
We're on the grind.
We'll see you. Take care.
Market swings stay on my mind.